Windows everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you this rarely question which is asked in the internet. Before starting action, I wanted to subscribe and put like to my channel. And if you are a new watcher on my channel, make sure that you hit the bell button to get informed when I will upload a new video to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. What is this rarely asked question you will say to yourself? So did you ever ask yourself who is a Python inventor? No, probably not, yeah? And I'm sure that 90% of people who are using the Python didn't ask themselves who is the Python inventor. So in this video, I want to give you this important information, and I will talk about this person's life and where he studied and how he get the popular and his net worth. So the one rossume, it was born and raised in Netherlands. He was studied in Amsterdam University. He got a master degree in mathematics and also with computer science. He was studying University of Amsterdam in 1982, and in 1974 he got a bronze medal in International Mathematics Olympiad. Look how great he was. And his brother, Just van Rossum, designed his typeface program with using Python. So Van Rossum lives in California with his wife. According to the homepage, the one in his name, the V-A-N in his name, capitalized when he started to use only the V-A-N name, not when he used the first and last name. The Guido Van Rossum is a popular, great programmer, author of the Python language. And today, as you can see, the Python language which he created become a very requirement language in the internet. So Python is interpreted object-oriented high-level program language with dynamic semantics. Guido Van Rossum worked in a project named CWI called Amoeba, A-M-O-E-B-A, a distributed operation system. In an interview with the Gwyn Winners Van Rossum said early in 1980s I worked in terminal implementer team who invented the ABC program language. The full name of CWI means the Central Wiscode and Informatica, CWI. And then he started to work on his project. And after when he invented the Python starts to develop itself. So Python was unknown programming language, but today the Python is the greatest language in the world. You can work with the graphic, you can do enough projects in Python to get money. So the popular languages in the world, first is C++, C, Python, and then comes the other languages like Java, JavaScript, and so on. I recommend you to become a programmer. Of course, if you have a great skill to be a programmer, it's really nice. Never let these skills to go down. Work hard and make these skills more and more better than before. As you can see, guys, I'm inventing the projects and selling it and getting money, so this is really great, enjoyable work for me. And also, you have to know mathematics if you want to work with this program. It's not easy. I'm working on Python the 4 years. Just now I started to understand what the Python means. I recommend you to install the PyCharm. This is not publicity of PyCharm. This is my recommendation for you. Just download the PyCharm and start the program there, because every program which you write there and press on this program, you can get information about the print, for example. You write the print hello world, right? For example, you just press into the print button. There you can see the little lamp, and you can press this lamp and get information about this command. For example, you wrote the code and you made a mistake. You just running a script show you where is your mistake. Or before running the script, you can see the lamp there. Also, you can press the lamp and lamp will show you what you have to do with this mistake, how you can create this mistake and make it more grammarly and so on. So in my channel, you can find a lot of useful information for yourself. You can ask a lot of questions in comment down below. I will answer to them. If you want to learn the Python, now join to my channel, and it's absolutely free. You can go and just press my video and start to learn the program. And until you're watching the video, if you had some questions, you can write in comment down below. Now I have some problem with open leave videos. I can't open the leave video. I'm opening with OBS Studio, but I have some trouble. My OBS is shutting my window. Yeah, it's okay, but this is too slow, bad quality, and I don't know what to do that. So today's video was about who is the creator of Python. Python is a really great language. So finally, what I want to say to you, the net worth of scientist who invented the Python. His net worth about $1.5 million. So this is really great, and you can start your program too. Remember that you can be owner of some program. You can sit and do something, just invent something, project which can be developed and be your company. Alright guys, so this was my today's video, and before finishing video I want to remind you to subscribe and put like to my video. And if you want to get more information about my videos or get informed when I will upload a new video to the YouTube, just go a little down and press the bell button too. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I love you and see you next time.